you need the bike.
They're not starting out very well.
Hey everybody, it's Dick here. It's day 2 of the Zero Motorcycles event at Ace Cafe. Yesterday I went thinking it was on and I got there to an empty parking lot. So hopefully today there will be some activity in the parking lot. More importantly, I hope there's activity in the parking lot because I have Fannie along. Yesterday she couldn't accompany me, but today she's stolen a couple of hours and she's coming over to ride some electric motorcycles with me. All right, fingers crossed that there's some sort of Zero motorcycle event at the Ace Cafe this morning. All right, haha! Very cool.
Feel everything, experience zero. I'm not sure that's a good slogan.
Feel everything, experience. I want the experience. Look, he's charging him up here. I'm gonna start filling this out. Get your license handy? What's your driver's license number? Yeah.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Have we booked your test ride today, yeah?
We have, yes.
How many years ago? 10 years ago, people who pre-booked, they receive free mark.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. You did pre-book?
We did pre-book.
Here's your mark.
She pre-booked as well.
Here's your mark.
Yeah.
Well, this one's that one.
Yep, that's your
The
off-roady
DS.
one.
The S, that's the S. I don't know, which one do you think I should try?
I think you should try the middle one. I think you should try that one.
That's the,
Are you want to go for a ride?
Yeah, we've registered, yep.
You have, okay.
And we pre-booked as well.
Pre-register as well, did you?
We pre-register as well, yeah.
Alright, and you pre-registered that. We're doing like 10, 15-minute rides this morning is what
Okay.
we're doing. And if there's space on the next ride, you can swap around and ride a different bike.
Oh,
as
cool.
well.
All right.
This is a cubby hole, and I carry 2 cables with me whenever I'm going anywhere. Charge through that, which is called a Type 2 charging point. And you can have a 3-pin plug on the end of that cable, or you can have a car charge point cable.
so you're saying that there
can
is
change
no
on the
engine
move.
braking, or there is engine braking?
There is. Depends on the power modes you're in. He's going to explain the power
Focus
modes.
on, I don't want you to go switch on if I put my side stand down. That's also fine. Okay? You can only change your power modes, which is shown there, with this being live. For instance, you can put a reverse parking mode on. Reverse parking? So I can...
The modes that you're saying, if I buy this bike today,
Is there a chance of that happening?
sure.
We
There
obviously
is.
don't know him.
Right, so who's riding this one? You ride this one? Yep. For a long leg.
I'll carry the backpack.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're riding that one. Ralph, can you take... do you want to take...
Yeah, I'll take that one. That's lovely. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Have fun.
Okay. Can I get this ride out and then I'll explain how it works for you? Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I think so.
Is that okay? And it's a nice day. The sun's shining. It's lovely, isn't it?
Be relaxed.
Right. So, you're riding that. You wanted to ride a paired bike or a naked bike?
Third, that's right.
Okay. This is yours then.
Excellent.
This is the 22 model, which has got the bigger battery in it. So it's not any faster. It's just got more range. It's got 20% more range.
Okay. So
So my bike
is that one of the unlocked ones, or is that?
It's all unlocked. So guys, you're riding the naked one. That's it.
Is that
That's the SR. That's the... Well, that's
She
the
needs the
SR,
bike.
That's the SR.
They're not starting out very well.
Which bike would you like?
You're riding that one?
No, I'm gonna ride the smaller one. I'm gonna give one special for you guys.
I guess I'll try that one. You think I should try this one?
Yeah, I think you'd enjoy
Or do you want me to do one of the
Drive
smaller ones?
license, yeah?
Go on this one.
Pardon?
Oh, wait,
You have
hold
a
on.
full drive
Let's sign
license.
that one.
Yeah, I do. Of course I do.
Hold on. She needs a bike.
Oh, you're riding as well. Sorry, I didn't realise that. Okay.
Hey.
Yo, whistles.
Hey, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
Very good.
Hello. Very stylish.
Thanks.
She's being ignored.
I've been completely ignored. I wasn't even given a mic.
Is that because you're a woman?
Yeah.
We're thinking.
And then they asked me if I had my full license.
Is that because you're a woman as well?
Would they ask
Exactly. If I had my full license. I'm really, like, that's really upsetting.
That's really
This is
awkward.
really shitty and sexist.
Yes. Do you have your full license?
you? No, don't tell anyone.
Excellent. That's all right then.
Oh my God. I am literally aghast. Aghast.
All right. All right, here we go. We'll see you on the way back.
Yeah, if you only get 15 minutes or something.
Yeah. Good, I don't have a lot of battery life.
That's true.
The minute you put the side stand up and your post switch is on, you've got your green light alive. So it's
Okay.
really, really linear. It's a lovely bike to ride.
Okay. And is it in the proper mode?
Yeah, I checked it, yeah. It's in full mode for you.
We're gonna park here, the
All right.
okay? Okay. The ball to the round because the guy's
So
gonna
I'm
take
on.
the first one.
So that's it?
That's live
Yeah, I know.
all the time.
Yes.
Just imagine.
Yeah.
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 I have to tell myself that.
We're gonna start on eco mode. I'm gonna stop and you can change for sporting. Be careful. They are easy, but they are dangerous. Let's go.
Should I gotta wait.
We could probably beat this truck,
Do you
babe.
think so?
Come on
Alright.
out. Toe pick. We got a private ride.
Yay. Sorry I missed the light.
That's all right. We get to go by ourselves now.
I was just being cautious. Actually, it's surprisingly comfortable. I hate to say it, but my initial inclination is it feels like a scooter. I tell you, it's not that off-putting. Definitely not as off-putting as Zero's approach to female riders, which was absolute shite. I'm so fucking pissed off right now. And I can't believe that I listened to the safety demonstration, I completed and signed a form, which he saw me sign, and then he proceeded to hand out motorcycles to test ride to all the men in the group, and completely ignored me until Dick said, she needs a bike. And then he looked at me and he said, oh, you're riding too? I didn't think you were riding. I'm standing here in full fucking motorcycle gear with a helmet. And then some other had the gall to ask me if I had a fucking motorcycle license. You know, I don't know, it's the future of motorcycling, I guess, right? So do you have to like it?
You have to like it. You have to like it.
No, it's fun. It's really fun.
I know. How about the other guys, you know?
Their attitude towards female riders is not fun.
Let's go home.
Yep.
That was enough. Let's get back on the camel.
That was enough. You've been insulted enough.
He saw me sign the consent form. He saw me write my driver's license number on the form.
She was at the orientation leaning in, put her helmet on.
It was like I was a ghost. I'm not used to that. I am not used. This is disturbing.
Considering that the electric bikes are the future, it's a pity that the customer service is from the past.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Maybe.
All right, off we go. Look, I literally said to the guy, I could buy a bike today. I said to him, look, I said to them, I could buy a bike today.
Yep.
Has anyone said anything to us?
Nothing.
Is anyone chasing us back to?
I was completely ignored. I was the only one in the group who was ignored, and it was clearly because I was a woman.
What did they ask you?
They asked me if I had a motorcycle license. I'm dressed like this with my helmet and my gloves on, and I was completely ignored.
And no one's asking if we want to buy one.
Nope.
It's an exercise in futility, my love. All right, and then look.
Look! Here it is. 600 quid.
600 quid.
Respect it.
Oh, we're okay. No, that's cool. Appreciate it. Thank you. I think we're okay.
It's really easy. So just press it.
You want to go again?
No, I'm alright.
No, we're good.
You only need to ride the teacups once.
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.